Today we're going to learn how to use the website Pinterest to be able to search for different worksheets we can use in our own elementary classroom. Today I want to find a worksheet that'll help me teach a lesson on the ABCs. So I come up here to the search bar and type in ABC worksheet. This next page right here shows me all the different results that my search has given me. But let's say I want to narrow it down a little bit. I can come up here and I can click on one of these tags, which will help narrow down the results. So let's say I only want to see worksheets that I can download for free. I can click on this tag right here, and so the results have now been narrowed to only show ABC worksheets that I can download for free. So let's say I want to use this worksheet. I'll click on this picture right here. It's now brought me to a different website. From this website, I'll be able to download this ABC worksheet.